demo day. We are removing all the carpet in the room. We are going to be building some surprises for Shawn.
I'm excited about this space because I know Shawn and I know his face is going to light up when he sees it.
To have an impact on people's lives and see them smile.
At the end of the day, you've made such an impact on not just the child's life, but the whole family's life.
And you just know it's going to make a difference for the rest of his life.
This is incredible, absolutely incredible. Shawn loves school buses. He recognized everything right away, the SpongeBob, all the little details. I mean, I think it's amazing.
We weren't imagining anything like this. The whole entire bus in the room with the tires on the wall and the door where you can go in and sit and drive. It's just amazing.
So you got steering wheels and you got switches and gadgets in there that he can interact with. So it's great seeing Shawn's reaction and seeing him light up. I can tell he just loved the bus, loved being inside.
Well, it feels great. You know, for him, it's giving him things that are fun, but also interactive and can help him in therapeutic ways.